During one of my most challenging times, I had to ask myself this question: what if I could get rid of my stress and anxiety while manifesting moments of wealth and abundance in my life? And after much trial and error, I discovered the answer. I discovered one hidden way to attract abundance simply by pivoting off of stress and anxiety. Now, you're moments away from seeing my free video in which I will share with you one powerful way to get rid of stress and anxiety, how to break away from energy blocks, attract abundance, and ascend towards your goals and dreams. And you might be asking, how is this possible? The answer is, hidden universal energy is a part of us. It belongs to us. And there is a simple process that is key to amplifying and manifesting this universal energy. In my free video, I will reveal just what this is and the steps you can take today to create that shift into manifesting your goals and dreams. It's a simple process towards manifestation, and I know it works because it happened for me. Allow me to share my story with you on how I was able to get rid of stress and anxiety while manifesting and attracting abundance into my life. So take the time to watch my free feature video simply by clicking somewhere around this window, and I'll see you on the other side.